Mr. Speaker, sir, our work as a ministry stands on three pillars of our national development plan. The first being the economic resilience, second, people empowerment, and last but not least is good governance. And this is implemented through our National Digital Strategy 2025-2030 and the National Security and Resilience Strategy of 2026 to 2031. Since the launch of the two strategies, Mr. Speaker, we have moved from ambition to action. We delivered a national privacy and personal data protection policy anchored by 8 data protection principles that put every Fijian's privacy first. Second, we stood up a national computer emergency response team known as CERT, already helping organizations recover swiftly from cyber incidents. Third, we strengthened our government data center and stood it up to a 24/7 government network and security operations center, simply meaning eyes on digital borders every hour of every day. Fourth, we rolled out 5G technology, progressively connecting our people to faster, more resilient digital infrastructure. We delivered our national cybersecurity website, one trusted home for Fijians to turn to for guidance on reporting a cyber incident or online harm, and to cyber information. 5, and on the world stage, Mr. Speaker, Fiji became the first Pacific nation and the 50th globally to sign the second additional protocol to the Budapest Convention. Once rectified, it will give our law enforcement faster international cooperation to pursue cyber criminals across borders. Last but not least, we stood at the negotiating table for 3 years on the first ever UN Convention Against Cybercrime and signed it last year, giving the Pacific a voice in shaping the rules of cyberspace. Mr. Speaker, sir, this work continues. We are finalizing our whole of government services mapping. 788 services identified across the ministries and agencies. We are completing a review of the government ITC systems, networks, and procurement. Our online safety law review is advancing, with strong focus on protecting our children online. Our telecommunication law is undergoing consultation and will go to Cabinet soon, then to this Parliament. We advance our National Identification Initiative, which will build on the Fiji Digital e-Profile, scheduled to be tabled to Parliament next month, giving every Fijian one secure identity when accessing government, health, financial, and social services. Last but not least, our data protection law, aligned to Convention 108+, is progressing as well. Once this is completed, we will move on to amending our cybercrime law, Mr. Speaker, sir.